All right. What would you like to work on?
I'd like to work on my shoulder pain.
Okay.
I've had it for like 10 years and I've had an MRI and nothing shows up.
Mm. Okay. And on a scale of 1 to 10, please rate the discomfort or the pain, 10 being the most intense.
Um, it's like a dull 7.
Okay. All right. So I'd like you to put all your focus into the middle or the center, the core of that pain, right? And just stay there. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Tanya, how does that feel now?
I don't feel it. Um, maybe like a maybe like a 1. There's um yeah, still a little bit. It feels like it's moving. Yeah, so like a 1, 2.
1, 2.
Mhm.
Okay. Well, let me see if I can work on a bit more, but it may disperse over the next few days.
Okay.
Okay, so find the center of that, put your focus into that. Okay, how does that feel now?
Better. Yeah, it's like nearly gone.
Okay, so can you rate the discomfort or the pain now?
Um, Maybe like a 0-1.
Okay, cool.